Now, if you remember back a couple of chapters, we talked about converses. And when we talked about the converse is where we just switched the order. So for the converse of the base angles theorem, if two angles of a triangle are congruent, then the sides opposite them are congruent. Up here, I said congruent sides makes congruent angles. So down here, what this means is that congruent angles make congruent sides. That's what we get. Congruent angles make congruent sides. We just flip-flop those. Now I look here. I've got, in this example, I've got these two angles. They are congruent. So that means these sides are congruent. And I can just set 5x plus 7 equals 42. And that finds x. 5x equals 35. X equals 7. Again, I'd encourage you to pause the video, try this next example, and then come back and see how you did. Welcome back. These two angles are congruent, so that means these two sides are congruent. So 8x plus 19 equals 12x plus 3. In this problem, this 20 sometimes messes with people. This is extra information. That's extra information. We don't need it. I'm going to ignore it. I just use these two sides here. Subtract the 8x, subtract the 3, divide by the 4. I get x equals 4.